All right, good morning, that Insurance Life family. I took a phone call today, and the question was, what constitutes as fraud? I'm doing this quick because I'm supposed to be on the phone. So let's get into it. I am a licensed insurance representative working for a major insurance carrier, and I talk about this constantly. It's my favorite thing, actually. Let's go over it. So, fraud can be broken in two things. Very simple, though. It's one thing is said to be true, and the opposite is what it is. It's just real simple. I'll give you claims and policy fraud. Claims, pretty straightforward. You were late on your car payment and decided, for whatever reason, that the car was going to catch on fire or get stolen. We can find that out just so you know. But it, in fact, was just in your cousin Vinny's garage and you just didn't tell us. And you got the payout and you're done. Real simple. There's other ways, but that was the simple one. Policy fraud. You claim you live in this secluded zip code with only a few residents around you, cows as neighbors, and you've never hit one. And in the history of that whole zip code, none of them have ever been hit. When really you live in the hot spot of Atlanta, Georgia, and I run that information and I find that out, that constitutes as policy fraud. Okay. So the biggest issues with both of these are somewhere in them, they cost me more money than they should. Okay. I can do one of two things. I can cancel your policy or I can do what's called a rescission. If I rescind the policy, I want you to think of Henry VIII. He got married and decided, ooh, I don't like you. I like this other person. I want an annulment and I'm willing to create an entirely new religion to do it. You and I are annulled. We were never married. Your policy never existed. Goodbye. All right. So I want you to keep that stuff in mind when we start talking policy stuff because it is a big deal and we will find out. So just,